Hey guys, have you thought of air taxis? If yes, then probably you will enjoy today's video. You know, huge research is going on conquering this airspace mobility. Today, what you will see is air mobility research prototype based on cyclorotors, which will be used as the main propulsion system. So guys, enjoy the first test flight of Cyclo Tech Technology Demonstrator. Please shower your love by subscribing the channel and further sharing it with your friends. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching.